Hey guys, it is Dani'i and welcome to another video, and I'm here with updates on the Atlantic. We have what is now Tropical Depression 6. This was Invest 98L, and then we have the main concern, which is Tropical Storm Dorian, currently about to move across the Windward Islands. But before I go into details, please take a second or two to tap that subscribe button if you haven't, as well as the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video. And you can also share it to my persons out there who know what is taking place, and to help the channel grow, you can also follow my weather account on Instagram at weathergirldani2. Alright, so from those two active tropical cyclones, we are starting off with Dorian. So right now, the winds are 60 miles per hour and it is moving to the west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. And we see that tropical storm watches and warnings, as well as a hurricane watch, in effect for parts of the Eastern Caribbean. And now Puerto Rico is in it, which is in the Greater Antilles. So tropical storm watch, which is highlighted in yellow, is in effect for Dominica, Grenada and its dependencies, Saban State Eustatius, as well as Puerto Rico, which I just said. So those areas could experience some tropical storm conditions within 48 hours. And now a tropical storm warning, which is in blue, in effect for Barbados, Martinique, parts of St. Lucia, as well as St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And then hurricane watch in effect for St. Lucia. So hurricane conditions possible there within over 1 day or so for parts of St. Lucia. So the winds are expected to probably be about 70 miles per hour or so when those hurricane conditions could start, because 75 miles per hour is what is classified as a hurricane, but of course the gusts will be even higher if it is just at 70 miles per hour. And then when we actually look at Dorian, we see that it is getting more organized and it is also growing in its size. So we see that it is ready to take on Barbados, small tiny Barbados right in there. So gonna get that heavy rainfall, those gusty winds, and that storm surge from Dorian come next 24 hours or so, when it is going to make its way across into the Eastern Caribbean. And then when it moves into that region, that is where we could see it becoming a Category 1 hurricane. Currently, the National Hurricane Center not expecting it to become stronger than a Cat 1. But another concern is with where will Dorian go after it moves from the Eastern Caribbean. Here we have majority of the models, including the National Hurricane Center, predicting that its center could take any track within this area right here. And here we have some of the models aiming it for Florida, and that seems likely, but that is just a possibility. It's not something that will happen. It is just a prediction that seems likely. So if you're in Florida, you want to stay cautious, you want to keep watching the system as we are going to head into this weekend, because that could be the time when it is over the Bahamas, ready to take whatever path here and beyond. So guys, I will keep giving updates on Dorian come next few days. And now next we have tropical depression number 6, expected to become tropical or subtropical storm ERIN by the next few hours. Probably tonight or tomorrow we could see ERIN. So not expected to be much of a threat to land, but the rip current's gonna be a problem for the east coast of the United States. So if you're there, you want to be cautious if you're going to head out, especially by the end of this week. We see that here on Thursday it is going to pick up the surf there. So if you're there, you want to be cautious and do not take any unnecessary risks. So nothing much to actually talk about with Brewing ERIN at this point. So guys, if you found this video pretty informative, please leave a thumbs up and remember to always be weatherwise, and I will keep giving updates on the tropics.